I am riding my bike.
I am riding my bike.
I am riding my bike.
Pedaling a bicycle for exercise or transportation. I am making a sandwich.
I am making a sandwich.
I am making a sandwich.
Assembling ingredients between slices of bread for a quick meal. I am dancing to music.
I am dancing to music.
I am dancing to music.
Moving rhythmically to the beat of a song for fun. I am taking a photo.
I am taking a photo.
I am taking a photo.
Capturing a moment with a camera or smartphone. I am cleaning my shoes.
I am cleaning my shoes.
I am cleaning my shoes.
Wiping or scrubbing shoes to remove dirt or stains. I am drawing on paper.
I am drawing on paper.
I am drawing on paper.
Creating pictures or designs on paper with a pen or pencil. I am folding a towel.
I am folding a towel.
I am folding a towel.
Neatly arranging a towel into a compact shape. I am exercising at the gym.
I am exercising at the gym.
I am exercising at the gym.
Engaging in physical activities to improve fitness. I am baking cookies.
I am baking cookies.
I am baking cookies.
Mixing ingredients and baking them to make sweet treats. I am running on the treadmill.
I am running on the treadmill.
I am running on the treadmill.
Using a machine to simulate running indoors. I am practicing yoga.
I am practicing yoga.
I am practicing yoga.
Performing poses and stretches to improve flexibility and mental well-being. I am organizing my closet.
I am organizing my closet.
I am organizing my closet.
Sorting clothes and items to maintain a tidy wardrobe. I am cleaning the bathroom.
I am cleaning the bathroom.
I am cleaning the bathroom.
Tidying and sanitizing the bathroom for cleanliness. I am playing basketball.
I am playing basketball.
I am playing basketball.
Engaging in a game of basketball for fun or exercise. I am riding a skateboard.
I am riding a skateboard.
I am riding a skateboard.
Gliding on a skateboard, using your feet to propel forward. I am decorating my room.
I am decorating my room.
I am decorating my room.
Adding items or changing the layout to improve the look of a room. I am watering the garden.
I am watering the garden.
I am watering the garden.
Giving plants the water they need to thrive. I am drinking water.
I am drinking water.
I am drinking water.
Hydrating my body by consuming a glass of water. I am calling my friend.
I am calling my friend.
I am calling my friend.
Using a phone to talk to a friend for social connection. I am brushing my hair.
I am brushing my hair.
I am brushing my hair.
Detangling and grooming hair with a brush or comb. I am cooking breakfast.
I am cooking breakfast.
I am cooking breakfast.
Preparing a morning meal, like eggs, toast, or cereal. I am cleaning the windows.
I am cleaning the windows.
I am cleaning the windows.
Wiping and washing windows to remove dirt or smudges. I am driving to work.
I am driving to work.
I am driving to work.
Operating a vehicle to commute to my job. I am sewing a dress.
I am sewing a dress.
I am sewing a dress.
Using needle and thread to create or alter a dress. I am chatting with my coworker.
I am chatting with my coworker.
I am chatting with my coworker.
Having a casual conversation with a colleague. I am playing soccer.
I am playing soccer.
I am playing soccer.
Participating in a game of soccer for fun or competition. I am taking a walk in the park.
I am taking a walk in the park.
I am taking a walk in the park.
I am taking a walk in the park. I am unpacking groceries.
I am unpacking groceries.
I am unpacking groceries.
I am unpacking groceries. I am cleaning the floor.
I am cleaning the floor.
I am cleaning the floor.
Sweeping, mopping, or vacuuming the floor to remove dirt. I am attending a wedding.
I am attending a wedding.
I am attending a wedding.
Go into a ceremony where two people get married. I am stretching my legs.
I am stretching my legs.
I am stretching my legs.
Loosening up muscles by extending or flexing my legs. I am organizing my bookshelf.
I am organizing my bookshelf.
I am organizing my bookshelf.
Sorting and arranging books neatly on a shelf. I am taking a deep breath.
I am taking a deep breath.
I am taking a deep breath.
Inhaling deeply to calm the mind and body. I am hanging up the laundry.
I am hanging up the laundry.
I am hanging up the laundry.
Putting wet clothes on a line or rack to dry. I am vacuuming the carpet.
I am vacuuming the carpet.
I am vacuuming the carpet.
Using a vacuum cleaner to remove dust and dirt from carpeted floors. I am riding a horse. I am riding a horse.
I am riding a horse.
Controlling and sitting on a horse for riding or leisure.